Guys, Dave here, and we are going to show you how to install batt insulation in a wall. This is a pretty simple task, and the same strategies go for when you're installing it in the floor as well as in the ceiling. So let's get started. Hey guys, Dave here, and right about now I'd appreciate it if you click on the like button for this video. Thanks a lot. So this particular wall, we have a 2x6 framing, and we have used an R19 batt insulation, and what we're going to do is we are going to install the final piece here, which we already have cut, and this particular piece is going to get fitted in. You can see this is a 2x6 wall, and what you're going to use here is either an R19 or an R21 insulation. In this case, we're using R19, and if you have a 2x4 wall, you can use an R11, R13, or R15. Okay, so very simple. All you're going to do is you're going to take the insulation. This one is we pre-cut, and we're just going to simply install it into the bay, nice and neat. And then you can see the flange here. The flange is going to get pushed into just a point where the flange will be able to be stapled along the side here. And we're going to install that nicely. Get it so that the flange is sitting nice and neat, and then we will get ready to staple it. So with our staple gun, we have it all set, the flange, and from the bottom we're just going to work our way up, and we will staple every 6 inches until we get to the top. We'll do the same for the other side. Okay, and with our other flange set, we are just going to install our staples right down the edge there, and you can see we have it all set, and we're ready to move on to the next piece. And it's a very simple process. It's very good if you want to re-insulate your walls and increase your R rating on your existing home, get rid of drafts. And if you're pulling down some sheetrock, you find that you're missing insulation, just replace it with some brand new faced insulation and just meet the rating that is needed for whether it's a 2x4 or a 2x6 wall. Hey guys, if you haven't done so already, click on the subscribe button, click the like button. We really appreciate it, and you'll see a lot of great content, all original, all filmed on location in New Jersey. Hey guys, Dave here, and if you'd like my free list on how to hire a contractor, click on the links below and you'll be able to get that list for free.